Step one, you are gonna need everything right here from your rice storage and the cup that you're gonna use to measure. Then just do this. Pour in the rice. Take your time because we don't want to waste our food. See that? Normally what I do, I want to do 1 cup. See that? Then this right here is called the rice drainer. In case you need it, the QR code is right on your screen and the link description below, beneath the description right here or beneath this video. You can get this rice drainer and it will help you wash your rice just like you are supposed to do it and just like you are about to watch in this video. This is the rice drainer. You will have to pour in 1 cup or your desired measurement of rice. So I'm going to show you something that people have been missing out. The YouTube channels that I've watched and the videos, most people don't want to wash their rice because they don't believe in it. You're going to have to put in enough water. Make sure that the water is immersed within right there. And you see that? That white stuff is what gets your rice sticky right after cooking. So we want to get rid of it. So guess what? This is what we're going to do. We are going to wash it right there. Let me first zoom a little bit for you. So I need you to see the change of color as we go on. So this is the first round. I normally do 3. But we shall do 4 because of this video. It's very important to wash your rice so well. To me, it's the question of hygiene. There is no way I'm gonna just get rice from a shop and dump it straight to my saucepan. No way. So that is the second time right there. You're gonna notice the change in color. This is what people haven't been doing. You have to wash it thoroughly, well, so well, because remember, you do not know how it was packed, and then you want to have fine rice on your plate right after cooking so that it does not look like posho, right? If you know posho, you know mingled flour with water. We don't want that. We want fine chef rice, just like they serve it to you in a restaurant. So that's the second time we are washing and rinsing it. See that? There's nothing like spreading all over the sink. Nothing. This is the third time we're washing. You see, it's changing. It's starting to change color. Look at the water. Always look at the water as you're washing your rice. Make sure, put your fingers in there, wash it over and over again. Tilt and pour out. You see that? So we are not losing any rice, but this tool right here is helping us do the right thing and wash our rice well. You want to tilt side by side, so that the water is out. Now we do the 4th time. Yes, I know people don't want to waste time, but cooking, if you don't want to be patient, then you won't learn how to cook. For this method, you gotta be patient. You see that? Notice the change in the water color. So that means we are pretty having clean rice. Make sure you wash it till that color close to your mineral water that you have in the bottle. See that? See that? Take it out of the rice drainer like that. It's gonna help you because you know it has holes right here. If you're just joining in, this is the rice drainer and you can scan the QR code right on your screen. It will take you straight to my Walmart storefront and you get it, or you can click the link in the description down below. So let's do it one more time so that you can confirm that the water is right with clean. You see that? Make sure you use enough pressure. This is the perfect way to wash your rice before you even think of cooking it. You see it? Notice the change. The color change is what you're supposed to look at when you're washing your rice. See that? Rotate it around as you tilt your rice drainer right here. Look at that. There you go. And we are good to go. Make sure if you got somewhere to hang it, you can hang it so that water all gets out, because we don't want it together with our food. We want clean water, clean, fresh water. Now, this is how the rice looks like, properly washed. You see that? And now you can start preparing your meal with very clean rice. Using this rice drainer that you can find in my Walmart storefront, you can scan that QR code right on the screen or click the link in the description below. It's Dennomatic TV. We're all about wellness. Click subscribe. Catch you in the next one.